Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Leidolf in Viking Rise. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is to click onto your Heroes tab here, and then we need to scroll down. So you will see your current hero, and then it'll say not yet summoned. So I'm imagining you don't have him summoned yet. So from here, scroll all the way down until you see Leidolf. Here he is here with a what would you call that, a cow's head or something similar. Now click onto him and then click onto details, and we need to go ahead and click on recruit. Suppose we need certain shards for him, so click on a recruit. Now Leidolf shard, we need to join events to obtain this item. So if we click on to go, the event is not yet available, please wait for the next one. So basically keep an eye out for events to obtain this item, and the best way to do this is come through the process I just did, and then just keep an eye out on events. And then with those events you're going to get Leidolf shards, and you need, where is it, if I go back here, we will need 10 shards to recruit him. So if I go back here, yeah, so 0 out of 10, so you need to collect shards. So once you get 10 shards you can recruit him as a hero.